Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Webflow. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin with, go to Webflow website and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all your projects. Take a moment to select the specific website you wish to export the project codes from. Click on it to open the project's editor. Now, let's locate the code export feature. Look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the Webflow logo there. Click on it. Or for a quick shortcut, simply press Shift+E on your keyboard. This will open the main menu where you'll find the option labeled Code Export. It's worth noting that in the export window, you might see additional options such as the ability to minify HTML. This feature can help reduce file sizes and improve load times if that's something you're considering. Now, here's a crucial point to remember. If you're using a free Webflow plan, the code export feature won't be available to you. This feature requires one of the paid plans. If you've already got a paid plan, you're good to go. From the code export window, you'll see an option to prepare zip. Click on this button to initiate the download process. What this does is package all the necessary files, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, into a neat zip file for you to download. Once the download is complete, you can simply unzip the file to access all the individual components of your website. And that's it. So that is how you can download Webflow. So that's all for this video. Thanks.